If you are seeing the authentication error message in ChatGPT, don't worry, this is common problem and it usually fixes it. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. A weak or unstable connection can prevent ChatGPT from verifying your account. Next, refresh the ChatGPT page or close and reopen the app. Sometimes a simple restart fixes temporary login issue. If the error continues, sign out of your ChatGPT account and then sign in back in. This creates new login session and often solves authentication problem. You should also clear your browser cache and cookies if you are using ChatGPT on a web browser. Old or corrupted browsing data can cause login error. If you are using a mobile app, update the latest version from your app store. Another solution is to disable your VPN or proxy if you are using one. Some VPN server may interface with the authentication process. If you are using browser extension, especially ad blockers or privacy tool, temporarily disable them and try again. You can also test ChatGPT in a different browser or on another device. Finally, if nothing works, the problem may be on OpenAI server. Wait a while and try again later. Following this simple step will fix the authentication error issue. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.